Hello everyone, on today's video I'm going to show you how to make chicken shawarma. My name is Linda, welcome to my channel. So firstly, let me introduce it to the ingredients. Here are the ingredients I'm going to use for this shawarma. Here is the coleslaw. Here is chicken. I've already seasoned it with cube, curry, ginger, garlic and all those good stuff. So here is the lemon juice. Lemon, I'll juice it later. Here is the tortilla, mayonnaise, onions, optional please, sugar and ketchup. So here I'm going to fry the chicken. So when the chicken is done, please remove it to a separate bowl and set aside. Here I just juiced the lemon. So here I'm going to mix the shawarma sauce. Here is the mayonnaise and the ketchup. So I'm going to add sugar, lemon juice. This lemon juice going in. This is some sugar going in. So here I have the black pepper and the dry chili pepper going in as well. So I have to mix this very well. I want to use this opportunity to welcome you all, and please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and like this video. So after mixing, here is the chicken and the coleslaw. So here I just added a little mayonnaise on this coleslaw so that it does not look so dry. So on your tortilla wrap, put some shawarma sauce, add your chicken. In this chicken shawarma, I don't eat sausages, so there is no sausage into this shawarma. You can add to yours, it's also optional. You can add whatever thing you are comfortable with inside your wrap, okay? So here I'm adding some onions, then topping it up with some shawarma sauce, and then I wrap. This is way too huge, so the wrap torn or tear. So here I now have to use another wrap to support it. To repeat same until all your ingredients are used. So I made 3 shawarmas out of this. Repeat the same process. is our last wrap. After wrapping, I use a grill pan to grill it, just to give it that beautiful, line. And shawarma is ready. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please. And if you haven't subscribed, please do it for God. Alright, thank you so much. Really for some minutes and shawarma is ready. Isn't this beautiful? Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.